The apical region of the root, also known as the root tip, has defined developmental zones. The meristematic zone is the area nearest the tip of the root. This zone is the site of rapid cell division. The cells from this zone go to the root cap and the base of the root, where they will differentiate to form the functional structures of the root. The elongation zone is the next area along the root. This zone is where the largest amount of cell elongation occurs. Some cell division does occur in the elongation zone, but not as much as what occurs in the meristematic zone. This is the zone where the defined vascular systems start to form. The endoderm forms, which separates the vascular elements from the cortex. The maturation zone is the next zone and is where the remainder of the root cells differentiate into specialized cells forming a clear epidermis, cortex, and vascular tissue. This is also the zone where root hairs start to develop. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.